Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Nutrition in Plants. Question number 1. During photosynthesis, cells containing chlorophyll use carbon dioxide and water to produce food in the form of Option A. Carbohydrates. Option B. Proteins. Option C. Fats. Option D. Minerals. The correct answer is Option A. Carbohydrates. During photosynthesis, the cells in the leaves containing chlorophyll capture the energy of the sunlight and use raw materials such as carbon dioxide, which is taken from air through the stomata. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots to produce food which is stored in the form of carbohydrates. Question number 2. Which part of the plant is modified into pitcher-like structure in pitcher plant? Option A. Flower. Option B. Root. Option C. Leaf. Option D. Stem. The correct answer is Option C. Leaf. The pitcher-like structure is the modified part of the leaf. The apex of the leaf forms a lid which can open and close the mouth of the pitcher. Question number 3. What is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms? Option A. Soil. Option B. Sun. Option C. Wind. Option D. Water. The correct answer is Option B. Sun. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms because all the food on this earth is made by utilizing solar energy. Question number 4. In a symbiotic relationship between sponges and algae, what would be the role of algae? Option A. Photosynthesis. Option B. Protection. Option C. Locomotion. Option D. Insulation. The correct answer is Option A. Photosynthesis. Algae are green, plant-like organisms. They can carry out photosynthesis and prepare food. Therefore, in a symbiotic relationship between sponges and algae, the role of algae would be to prepare food and share it with the sponges. Question number 5. Which of the following is secreted by the pitcher plant to digest the insect? Option A. Sugar. Option B. Digestive juice. Option C. Starch. Option D. Saliva. The correct answer is Option B. Digestive juice. Digestive juices are secreted by the pitcher plant to digest the insect and obtain nutrients from it. Question number 6. Autotrophic nutrition is seen in Option A. Plants. Option B. Parasites. Option C. Fungi. Option D. Human beings. The correct answer is Option A. Plants. Autotrophic nutrition is seen in plants. Fungi, parasites and human beings show heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a saprotroph? Option A. Bread mold. Option B. Venus flytrap. Option C. Yeast. Option D. Mushroom. The correct answer is Option B. Venus flytrap. Saprotrophs obtain their nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. Venus flytrap is an insectivore which obtains nutrition partly from insects. Question number 8. Which of the following statements is not true with respect to fungi? Option A. Mostly fungi follow saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Option B. Some fungi are useful while some are harmful in nature. Option C. Growth of fungi may result in spoilage of food and other articles. Option D. All fungi are useful in nature. The correct answer is Option D. All fungi are useful in nature. Some fungi are useful while some are harmful in nature. For example, some fungi are used as food and for making medicines while some cause skin diseases in humans. Question number 9. The cotton-like structure seen on the bread is due to the growth of Option A. Algae. Option B. Bacteria. Option C. Fungi. Option D. Lichens. The correct answer is Option C. Fungi. The cotton-like thread spread structure seen on the piece of bread is due to the growth of fungi. Question number 10. The word heterous means Option A. Self. Option B. Other. Option C. Independent. Option D. Own. The correct answer is Option B. Other. In the term heterotrophic, the word heterous means other and trophos means nourishment. Humans, animals and plants which do not have chlorophyll, they cannot synthesize their food, so they depend on the food produced by plants. They use the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Question number 11. Plants without chlorophyll depend on mode of Option A. Autotrophic. Option B. Phototropic. Option C. Heterotrophic. Option D. Mesotrophic. The correct answer is Option C. Heterotrophic. Plants which lack chlorophyll cannot carry out photosynthesis. Hence, they depend on heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a heterotroph? Option A. Deer. Option B. Cow. Option C. Algae. Option D. Yeast. The correct answer is Option C. Algae. Algae are a large group of simple, plant-like organisms which can prepare their own food and hence are classified under autotrophs. Question number 13. Photosynthesis in cactus is carried out by Option A. Leaves. Option B. Stems. Option C. Roots. Option D. Spines. The correct answer is Option B. Stems. Photosynthesis in cactus is carried out by the green stem and green branches of the plant. Question number 14. Insectivorous plants like the pitcher plant feed on insects to obtain nitrogen compounds. Which of the following food components need to be digested in order to produce these nitrogenous compounds? Option A. Proteins. Option B. Vitamins. Option C. Fats. Option D. Carbohydrates. The correct answer is Option A. Proteins. Insectivorous plants secrete digestive juices which digest the proteins present in the body of the insect to form simpler nitrogenous compounds like amino acids. Question number 15. After photosynthesis, the excess glucose molecules get converted into Option A. Proteins. Option B. Cellulose. Option C. Fats. Option D. Starch. The correct answer is Option D. Starch. Glucose produced during photosynthesis is utilized by the plants and the remaining extra glucose gets converted into a complex carbohydrate called starch. Question number 16. Which of the following statements is not true with respect to autotrophic nutrition? Option A. Autotrophic nutrition does not occur in green plants. Option B. Food is prepared from simple substances. Option C. Raw materials like carbon dioxide and water are used. Option D. Chlorophyll is required for the synthesis of food. The correct answer is Option A. Autotrophic nutrition does not occur in green plants. In autotrophic nutrition, green plants prepare their own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by a process called photosynthesis. Question number 17. The pores present on the surface of the leaves are called Option A. Grana. Option B. Hydathodes. Option C. Stomata. Option D. Veins. The correct answer is Option C. Stomata. The pores present on the surface of the leaves are called stomata. They help in gaseous exchange. Question number 18. Mechanism of insectivorous nutrition is detailed below. A. The trapped insect gets entangled in the hair of the pitcher. B. The lid of the pitcher closes. C. The insect falls in the pitcher. D. The walls of the pitcher secrete digestive juices to digest the proteins in the insect body. Which of the following states the correct order for the steps in insectivorous nutrition? Option A. C, B, or D. Option B. A, B, C, D. Option C. A, D, B, C. Option D. B, A, C, D. The correct answer is Option A. C, B, or D. When the insect falls in the pitcher, the lid of the pitcher closes. The trapped insect gets entangled in the hair of the pitcher. The walls of the pitcher secrete digestive juices to digest the proteins in the insect body to form simple nitrogenous compounds. These compounds are then absorbed by the walls of the pitcher. Question number 19. For food requirements, man is directly or indirectly dependent on Option A. Plants. Option B. Fungi. Option C. Animals. Option D. Microorganisms. The correct answer is Option A. Plants. Man is directly or indirectly dependent on plants for food requirements. Plants manufacture food for all living organisms by the process of photosynthesis. Question number 20. Maximum spoilage of food, clothes and other organic materials takes place during the Option A. Rainy season. Option B. Spring season. Option C. Summer season. Option D. Winter season. The correct answer is Option A. Rainy season. Fungi require warm and humid environment for their growth, which is mostly available in the rainy season. Therefore, maximum spoilage of food, clothes and other organic materials takes place during the rainy season due to the increased activity of fungi. Question number 21. Which of the following fixes atmospheric nitrogen into the soil? Option A. Rhizobium. Option B. Cuscuta. Option C. Mycobacterium. Option D. Lactobacillus. The correct answer is Option A. Rhizobium. Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plants fix up atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. They convert nitrogen gas present in air into nitrogenous compounds like nitrates. Question number 22. The mode of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called Option A. Ingestion. Option B. Assimilation. Option C. Digestion. Option D. Nutrition. The correct answer is option D. Nutrition. The mode of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.